Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring moto vehicle experience. Today we bring you an interesting topic on the best pickup truck to buy in Kenya. Pickup trucks are a great way to maximize your carrying capacity and transport luggage. They are also great for off-roading and exploring the Kenyan countryside. But with so many different models and brands to choose from, it can be hard to know which one is the best pickup truck to buy in Kenya. Today we'll look at the different types of pickup trucks available and the features they offer. With this information in hand, you'll be able to find the perfect pickup truck for your needs. Types of pickup trucks. Pickup trucks come in a variety of sizes and styles, so it's important to be familiar with the different types before making a purchase. Full-size pickup trucks are the most common type of pickup truck and are designed to carry a large amount of cargo. They are often used commercially and are available in a wide range of sizes and configurations. Full-size trucks often have a short or long bed, which determines the amount of cargo space you have. Half-ton and three-quarter-ton trucks are medium-sized trucks that are commonly used for towing and hauling. Medium-duty pickup trucks are designed to handle heavy loads. They are commonly used in industries like construction and farming and are available in both short and long bed models. These trucks are often used to haul large equipment and materials and have a higher towing capacity than other types of pickup trucks. Heavy-duty pickup trucks are designed to carry extremely heavy loads. These are often used for commercial purposes and are available in both short and long bed models. Features of pickup trucks. Trucks. There are a few features you should look for in a pickup truck to ensure that it will meet your needs. Bed size. The purpose you want to use your pickup for will determine the size of the bed you should get. If you plan to use your truck for hauling materials and large items, a long bed will give you more space to work with than a short bed. The towing capacity of your pickup truck is important if you plan to tow heavy loads. Ground clearance indicates how well your truck can navigate difficult terrain, such as rocky and muddy roads. The higher the number, the better the clearance and the more capable the truck is on rough terrain. The payload capacity determines how much your truck can carry in terms of weight. Short bed trucks usually have a higher payload capacity than long bed trucks. Most pickup trucks have a payload capacity between 1,500 and 2,000 kilograms. The advantages of owning a pickup truck include increased carrying capacity and the ability to tow large loads. They are also great for off-roading, exploring the countryside, and even recreation. There are a few disadvantages to owning a pickup truck as well, such as potential fuel consumption and higher maintenance costs. Pickup trucks can carry more than other types of vehicles, making them great for transporting large and/or heavy items. Pickup trucks are great for off-roading and exploring the Kenyan countryside because they can navigate difficult terrain better than other vehicles. Price ranges for pickup trucks. The price of pickup trucks varies widely depending on the model and features, but there are a few common price ranges. Entry-level pickup truck. An entry-level pickup truck has a standard design and will get the job done, but isn't the nicest truck you can buy. Entry-level trucks are often the least expensive models available. Mid-range pickup truck. A mid-range truck is stylish and has a few extra features, but doesn't have the nicest design. Mid-range trucks usually cost between $3 million and $8 million. High-end pickup trucks. A high-end pickup truck has the best design, features, and power, but will cost a significant amount of money. High-end pickup trucks are often more than $8 million. Popular pickup truck brands in Kenya. There are many brands of pickup trucks available in Kenya, but these are the most popular. Nissan Patrol. The Patrol is Nissan's signature full-size pickup truck and is available as a king cabin. It comes in both gasoline and turbo diesel models with a variety of trims and options. Ford Ranger. The Ranger is Ford's signature full-size pickup truck and is available as a double cabin. It comes in both gasoline and turbo diesel models with a variety of trims and options. Toyota Hilux. The Hilux is Toyota's signature full-size pickup truck and is available as a double cabin. It comes in both gasoline and turbo diesel models with a variety of trims and options. Toyota Fortuner. The Fortuner is Toyota's signature midsize pickup truck and is available as a double cabin. The F-150 is Ford's signature heavy-duty pickup truck and is available as a super cabin. When it comes in both gasoline and turbo diesel models with a variety of trims and options. Safety and maintenance of pickup truck. Before you buy a pickup truck, it's important to make sure that it is safe. Start by looking at the safety rating of the model you are considering. The National Transport and Safety Authority, NTSA, rates all pickup trucks on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the safest. A rating of 4 or above is considered safe. Follow the recommended maintenance schedule and use high-quality parts to ensure that your truck stays safe and reliable. Financing options for pickup truck. Purchasing a pickup truck can be expensive, and financing is a great way to make the purchase more manageable. You can finance a pickup truck through a traditional lender like a bank and get a loan with a set repayment schedule. Accessories for pickup trucks. A cargo net is a great way to keep items in the back of your truck secure and organized. They are available in a wide variety of styles and can be mounted on the bed rails or the walls of your truck. Cargo bars are a stylish and functional way to keep items secure in your truck. They can be installed on the walls of your truck and work great with cargo nets. Running boards are a great way to step up into your truck and are available in a wide range of styles. Do you think pickup trucks are value for money? Share your sentiments in the comments section. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment.